gum on the
You can see all the gum. Ew.
All the gum.
Okay, so hi everyone, it's Eshamae126 and
Ethanwithoutmankind again.
no, this is. I'm gonna delete the other video because I went.
Is that good then?
Meow. That's really my new thing. I'm gonna meow now. And I'm gonna do that. It's fucking gum. There's like 2 bits of like massive gum. I'm gonna pop some.
I got Lauren and Carissa coming over. Our special guest, you guys.
My lover. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube.
Put a hole in your armpit.
I like my fingers. My fingers really wrinkly.
Old person.
What the heck? No, we're gonna put
Your thumb's like halfway across.
I'm gonna pop some things. I got $20 in
That should be
my
it.
pocket. No, but it shouldn't. I like I wear your granddad's clothes. It's all burp. Oh, there's a bit of sunlight. Fuck you. There we go.
Anyway, back to the gum under the table. Bye. That looks so yummy.